And every place in life requires something. And for many of you out there right now, you're stuck at a certain number and you want to grow much bigger. And the answer isn't just to hire a consultant. For many of you out there, you're burning the candle on both ends and you don't know how to deal with it. And you don't know how to make your life easier. That's not really a consultant problem, that's a coaching problem. And again, there are coaches who will help you perform better in your life, but the curriculums are not there. And that's what I'm going to create. Hello there, Orthopreneurs, and welcome to another episode of your 5-Minute Friday. I'm your host, Dr. Glenn Krieger. And I've talked a little bit about this in the not too distant past, but I want to pick it up again one more time. In life, there's a few people you should be looking to help you get to where you want to get. Let's say you want to have a $3, $4, $5 million practice and you want to work, 2 to 3 days a week. I was speaking to an orthodontist today who does, I don't want to give you their numbers, but what if I could tell you could do $4 million a year on 2 to 3 days a week, maybe 2 days a week max. It's possible and you can do it. But maybe you want to have lower stress, maybe you want to have better outcomes, maybe you want to have a more happy, satisfied team. For any of these things, there's 3 or 4 different things you need in your life that I think every orthodontist should have. One is peer communication, right? That's what Orthopreneurs is about. That's what Orthopreneurs RD is about. On many levels, RD is just a higher level of communication that we get with one another than Orthopreneurs. But either way, the Facebook groups we're a part of give us peer communication. Hey, who does this? How do you do this? I'm curious to learn more about this. I'm having problems with this, right? You need that. You need peers that you can talk to because most of us are practicing alone. The second thing you should be looking for is mentorship. You should find somebody who doesn't necessarily need to be an orthodontist. They can be somebody in the business community. It could be an in-law. It could be an uncle. It could be a friend. But it's generally somebody older than you who's gone down a path that you haven't gone, who can look back with a little bit of wisdom on some of the things you're doing in your life and help you with that. And you meet with them somewhat regularly and it's more informal. There's no assignments per se necessarily. It's more wisdom being given from one person to another. And it's usually no charge, right? It's free. The next step up from that would be a consultant, in my opinion, something you need. Every now and then you need a consultant. And people say, which consultant should I hire? That's like asking, what gift should I get my team? Well, what's your team like, right? What consultant should I hire? Well, what are you looking to fix? Are you looking to fix your schedule? Are you looking to fix your marketing? Are you looking to fix your HR situation? Are you looking to hire and fire better? Are you looking to make more money? Are you looking to manage your practice more effectively? What are you looking for that a consultant can get you? Now, I've probably hired a consultant for every single thing there could be in ortho, literally. Whether it's learning how to read a P&L more effectively to make better decisions or how to answer the phone properly, right? I've been through all of them. And consultants are good and they help. The limitations of consultants is generally the scope of what they're helping you with is one thing. And let's just say you have a consultant helping you grow your practice and you go from $1.5 million to $3 million. Did you scale your practice properly? Did you scale your workflows effectively? Did you scale your policies and systems? Are you having meetings the way you should? And most consultants are not going to do that for you. And that's the final kind of step above that. I'm going to put consultants and coaches in similar vein, but I'm going to call coaching, there's 2 kinds of coaches. There's coaches that you can hire again to help you. I've had coaches specifically to help me with productivity in my life. I've had coaches specifically help me with the business decisions that I needed to make. And then there's coaching programs where I would sign up for a year and I would go to them or they'd come to me and they'd coach me. And it was a curriculum where they went through A to Z and I learned all there was and they worked with me and a bunch of other practices and ultimately changed my life. I always give credit to the Schuster Center in Arizona. Back in 99, 2000, when I went through them, I had a younger practice, wasn't making a lot of money. I signed on the dotted line and I paid close to $60,000 back then. That's 99, 2000, $60,000. Because I knew that if I learned the systems that they were going to teach me and I put the work in, I would never look back. And I didn't. It was amazing. It was the best money I ever spent. That's probably $200,000, $250,000 now. And those kinds of programs are transformational. Everything else you have that I mentioned earlier is great. It'll help you. But coaching programs are transformational. And with due respect to everybody else out there, I don't feel like there's really a coaching program in ortho right now. Something that takes you and your team from point A, goal setting, vision, mission, really looking into the future and seeing what you want and how you get there, and go through every step of the way from marketing, from sales technique, from A to Z, from clinical, the whole 9 yards that takes you from A to Z, no matter where you are from. You have $1 million practice and you want to get to 5 million, you got a $5 million practice, you want to get to 20 million. I don't feel like there's that coaching program out there right now that really does it the way Schuster Center did it for me. And so I've mentioned it before, I am going to start early in 26 a one-on-one coaching program with me and other coaches I train to work with teams, specifically one-on-one, not in a room full of 10 other groups, to bring them from A to Z, to help implement your vision, not my vision, to help give you the probably a bit of the 6,000 or 7,000 hours of CE that I've had with people specifically trying to help me, and probably $500,000 I've spent minimum. So will it be cheap? Absolutely not. Will I guarantee you'll make 5x in the first year alone on whatever you spend? Absolutely. So if you're interested in learning more about the coaching program, reach out to me, DM me. I know a bunch of you did when I mentioned it a little bit on one podcast, but now it's going to be for real. In 2026, there is going to be a coaching program. It is likely going to be 3 sessions in person. The first one will be doctor and team, where I will motivate them. I will get them all on the same page. I will talk about everything from bottom line, how to read finances, the whole 9 yards, and 2 other in-person meetings of just the doctor, period. If you're interested, I'll tell you more details, but I will guarantee you in writing, it will be transformational and it will make you considerably larger amounts of money with way less stress. If you like what I talk about, if you like the way I've said things on this podcast, if you think my approach towards practice is a good one, then trust me on this, because I'll guarantee you it'll be amazing. If you need anything, reach out to me. But remember, even if you decide to come to the coaching program, you're going to need consultants from time to time. You're going to need mentors from time to time. You're going to need peers to help you from time to time. And every place in life requires something. And for many of you out there right now, you're stuck at a certain number and you want to grow much bigger. And the answer isn't just to hire a consultant. For many of you out there, you're burning the candle on both ends and you don't know how to deal with it. And you don't know how to make your life easier. That's not really a consultant problem, that's a coaching problem. And again, there are coaches who will help you perform better in your life, but they're not going to come into your practice and help you develop policies and systems. So there are some great coaches out there who I love to death, but the curriculums are not there. And that's what I'm going to create. So love you all. I'm here for you if you need anything, and wishing you a wonderful, wonderful day.